If you need to receive payments on your Weebly website or online store, I'm going to show you how to add that payment method so you can get it done and get your money. Let's dive straight in. So right over here from your dashboard, you're going to go over to the left-hand side to add your payment method, and we're going to jump into settings, and here you're going to look for checkout. Once we are in checkout, you will have a few options. First of all, you'll have Stripe. You can click on connect here. You'll also have the PayPal option, and you'll have to upgrade your Weebly plan to use PayPal. So if you would like to do that, you can go and click on upgrade to use PayPal. Now, the concept is the same. Once you go in and click on connect, you'll have two options. First of all, you can create a new account, be it Stripe or PayPal. If you would like to create a new account, you'll add your location, your currency, as well as your phone number. And if you have a Stripe account or a PayPal account already, you're going to click on this option and click on connect. This will redirect you to that host. So in this case, it'll redirect me to Stripe, and it'll allow me now to connect my account. So here you can click on connect. It's identified an account. We'll click on connect and we will be connected with Stripe. Now, if in the PayPal situation, you'll do the exact thing. It will identify your account and you can click on the account that you would like to connect. Of course, if you have multiple accounts, you can select the one that you'd like to connect. And there we go. You now have a payment method.